Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of Crypto Tips. My name is Heidi and we're going to talk about what the heck is happening with Luna, UST, and kind of the overall market of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies today. I woke up this morning seeing that UST dropped quite a bit after, a few days ago Toby did a video talking about UST. At that time it had lost its peg a little bit, and we woke up this morning and it went to 66 cents. Now it has since rebounded. It's at about 84 cents since I last checked. So what happened? What is UST? It's a stable coin. It's not the same as Tether. It's an algorithmic stable coin. And so basically what these guys are trying to do is find a way to create price stability through also connecting it to their altcoin, to their other cryptocurrency called Luna. And as much of a solution as that is to step away from a centralized supply of fiat currency physically backing a stablecoin, like that's what Tether is, they found a way to kind of incentivize arbitrage traders through trading UST for Luna. But what they haven't quite figured out yet, and what I'm really looking forward to someone breaking this out, is this. They haven't figured out a way to use game theory to incentivize honest behavior, to play by the rules, that is more beneficial than manipulating the system. There's a lot of people who are saying, there's people in January is a famous case of what happened with Anchor Protocol, and there was some manipulation happened that affected the price of Luna in a bad way. And they're saying this is what's happening again. Maybe what UST is doing is pissing off a lot of people, a lot of the wrong people, and they're using, and these people are whales that are manipulating the system of UST in a negative light. We've all seen what happens when everything is going good with UST and Luna. When people are locking up Luna and Anchor Protocol, and to do so, they're burning Luna. So Luna holders are benefiting from price appreciation. People who are being paid 18% in Anchor Protocol a year to hold UST, not to spend UST, everything goes good. But markets move in cycles, corrections have to happen, and we're seeing what's happening when that is reversed. But what is initiating this reversal? Is it a whale? Is it manipulation? Yes. And what the solution they don't have for that yet in their algorithm, in a decentralized manner, they haven't figured out how to correct this. But what they do have, what UST does have, what LFG, Luna Foundation, does have, is deep-pocketed VCs. They have 3 Euros capital, they have jump capital that are willing to put forth $1.5 billion worth to support UST to prevent it from a death spiral, is what they're calling. So that's what I think a lot of people are fearful of with UST. It lost its peg. It did so quickly. Is it a bottom? Was it temporary? I think so. Again, this is just my opinion. I think that these VCs are dedicated to making sure UST survives. Is that a robust solution in my opinion? Absolutely not. It's not something decentralized, but for now I think we're okay. Again, like we're always saying, this is a giant experiment, especially something like this with algorithmic stablecoins. I don't know how much of a pep talk this is for you guys or whatever, but I'm just trying to shine some light on the real situation, maybe give you some explanation on what's happening with the price. And what Luna has also recently done, you've heard Do Kwon, the guy behind LFG, he decided to buy or to accumulate a plan of accumulating $10 billion worth of Bitcoin to act as a reserve to keep the peg of UST. So that's what they had to do. They had to sell Bitcoin to prop up UST to absorb the sell pressure that people were putting on that coin. You know what selling Bitcoin does? That puts sell pressure on the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin took a dip as well, but Bitcoin has a much larger market, so I think it's a definite buying opportunity for people, long-term, much longer-term perspective that I have on Bitcoin. But anyway, so at least it's a three-pronged defense for UST. They have Bitcoin, they have Luna, and they have VCs. That's my take on it. We're gonna keep a close eye on this. I'm wearing a Skydive Dubai t-shirt. We're hoping to go skydiving today. It was too windy yesterday, so we'll see. I think it's about the same conditions. But anyway, keep you guys posted. I'll talk to you soon. Check later.